how to activate public bank credit card. Activate public bank credit card online. So if you want to activate your public bank credit card online, basically you can do this online from online banking or from mobile banking. So download the My Public Bank or the My PB application from your app store respectively, and once you've done that, you can simply go to the My PB option that you'd be able to find here. So once you open the My Public Bank application, this is basically the kind of interface you will see here. It says you can apply for public bank savings and so on. So to activate a credit card, what you just have to do is you first have to log into your account. So once you go ahead and log into your account, over here you'll be able to go to the credit card section here. So here you can see credit card section. If you've already applied for your credit card, you can come to this credit card section, and from here you'll be able to go ahead and then enter your credit card details and then go ahead and then actually activate it. And this way you'll be able to activate your credit card of My Public Bank. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.